Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. Today I want to show you a super simple way to make a braided pendant connector. Just in a few seconds. Get a braided cord, any color, any width. For example, I'm using 0.8 mm braided cord. And to better show you how to do it, I will use a red one. Okay, let's do it. So it's about 20 cm in length. Okay, 2 fingers. One wrap, 2 wraps, and then 3 wraps. Okay, like this. And then pull the last string to the left. And then gather all these circles. And use a rope that you are going to make a necklace. And then pull. Okay, it's done. So this connector works with all pendants and charms. Like you can braid a knot here to secure the pendant, like this one. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!